Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Ableton sees your controller, open Preferences, and go directly to Link/MIDI. Enable the controller's input and turn on Track and Remote so Ableton receives performance and mapping messages. Once done, set the controller's MIDI channel to the one you plan to use. Omni works for quick testing. Make sure the device is not in local control if it has that feature, because local will send duplicate notes and confuse mapping. This gets Ableton ready to accept mappings. You now enter MIDI map mode to create assignments. Click the MIDI button top right so Live highlights mappable parameters. Select any parameter, a volume fader, a device macro, or a clip slot, and immediately move the physical control you want to assign. Ableton binds the incoming MIDI CC or note to that parameter. Once paired, test it by moving the control again while watching the parameter respond. Make several mappings. And remember, use consistent CC ranges for relative versus absolute controls to avoid unexpected. You finish by exiting MIDI map mode and saving your live set so mappings persist. Optionally export a template or note CC numbers for future templates. Once saved, test full workflows, transport, device control, clip launching to ensure everything behaves predictably. If something jumps or is unresponsive, make sure no other device is sending the same CC, that the controller's local control is disabled, and that channel assignments match. If needed, reset the mapping and reassign the problem control while observing MIDI activity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.